Friends, do you know why is it that 90% of people fail to reach their financial goals? They read the books, they watch the videos, but their bank account stays the exact same year after year. So today you are going to learn exactly why that happens and how we are going to make sure you are in the 10% who actually succeed. Namaskar, friends. Myself, Bhavna Pritwani, and I am a financial advisor and insurance coach, serving this industry for last 13 years. So I am launching my 365 days financial learning series. This is the day one on which we are going to discuss that why 90% of people fail to plan their financial plannings. So don't forget to subscribe this channel for daily updates. So today we are going to discuss there are three massive traps that keep people broke and we are destroying them right now. Number one, the biggest trap that is vagueness. Trap number one is vagueness. Why most people have financial wishes, not the financial goals, right? They say, I want to be wealthy, I want to be financially free, I want to be pay all of my debts, but that is two-way. The brain cannot execute a vague command, friends. If you don't have a specific numbers and a spatial timeline, you are just daydreaming. The 10% people who succeed, they don't say, I want to be rich. They say, I am going to generate $5,000 or 5 crores in a month in a passive income, right? Whatever they want by December 31st. Okay, so write this down. Clarity equals to cash. If your goal isn't specific enough to put on a calendar, it's not real goal, friends. So this was the fact number one why people fail. The number two trap is shiny object syndrome. I hope you are listening this word shiny object syndrome first time, but this is the really happens with people. So we live in a world of endless financial distractions. One day someone tells you to buy a real estate, the next day it's crypto, then it's day trading, then it's starting a drop shipping business. So you end up digging a dozen of holes that are 1 foot deep instead of digging one hole that strikes oil. So 90% of people fail because they lack focus. They jump from strategy to strategy the moment things get slightly boring or difficult. So wealth is built through boring, repetitive consistency. So pick a strategy, put your blinders on that, and ignore the noise. It means concentrate on one thing only, that how I can do it, right? Don't move from one place to another place. Step number three is perfection. Perfections. How many people do you know who are waiting for the perfect time to start investing? And many of people, what they are doing, they are mixing up the insurance and investment and creating so much hypes that insurance should be different, investment should be different. They will be right on their perspective because everyone has different financial need. But let me tell you, if you are planning any goal and investing for any goal, and if something happens to you, who will pay for that investment? The question is that. So if you are ignoring insurance, then you are doing the biggest mistake in your life. Your insurance policy should be like that, which has disability or premium waiver covers also, which do not destroys your family's planning like child education, retirement, and everything. Because in case of disabilities, what happens? Insurance companies pays your premium. So your goal is protected. So the biggest step, listening others and don't finding what are the benefits, features of the plans and taking wrong decisions, doing so much SIPs, but there is no base cover is there, no insurance protection is there. Only term plan is there, but term plan cannot be served in disability cases, right? So these are the three facts which you should consider. That's why 90% people fail to their finances. So here is your day one homework. What you can do, you can identify your three main goals, which may be short term, mid term, and long term goals, and write down in comments. I will personally reply to your comments. And for next second day, stay tuned to our this channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please forward this video to your near ones who also want to create their finances at higher level. Thank you so much. See you again in next video.
Thank you for watching. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe to Rising Advisors Academy. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep planning for a better financial future.